Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page for free. So for us to create our free landing page, then we'll have to use Canva for this one. So as you can see, by default, when we click on the create a design here, you'll see doc, whiteboard, video, Facebook posts, and a lot of other stuff here. But we won't be able to see the section that says landing page, because by default it's not a default design that we could use. But when we click in the create design and into the search function here, you'll be able to just type in landing page and the landing page option will be available to you. As you can see right now, it is now available, that design that we are looking for. So by the way, Canva is a free tool that you could use online to create free designs. So make sure to use this one and utilize it to the max potential. So here we already created our untitled design here. So next thing we want to do is we want to start creating our design. So the good thing with Canva is we could actually use their free templates here on their website. So if you have the pro version of it for Canva, you could go ahead and use that, but we're just using the free one for this one. But if you want to expand more on your design and try new things in here, you can go ahead and buy the pro. So with the free version, it's going to be kind of basic, but it's still beautiful to look at. So here we have different designs here. As you can see, we have this one. If you want to use this, go ahead and choose this one or choose this one. So basically, you could use any design that you have here. So for example, we're just going to choose another one here. For example, this one. If you want to use the place current design. So let's go back here. So I'm just gonna show you different designs that you could use here. So there are pro. So you'll know that the design is actually for pro if you see the pro section at the bottom right. Now for us to get started, we want to basically start using our design. So just go back into landing design here. So here, for example, we want to use a specific landing page. So for example, we want to use this one. So the design itself is now available to us. The only thing that we need to do here is to change a few things. So for example, you want to change the name for this one. You just need to double click on the text itself and you can just basically change this to your name. So for example, I'm just going to change this to the name here. And here, if you want to or describe yourself, if you go ahead and do that. But if you want to add or basically edit this to your liking, you could go ahead and do that. But if you want to add other sections, so for example, you want another section here that's a text as well, just need to click on the text section here and just click on add a text box. So here it's going to give you this text box here and basically add your text. So for example, I'm just gonna say sample text, and from here I could just basically position this to whatever position as you can see here right now. So I could position it in a way that it's actually similar to this one. As you can see, there's rulers, which is really helpful to align your text as well. And they also have different text here that you could use. For example, bake fresh, and you have the certificate of completion type of text here if you want to add that. And we also have elements. So if you want to use elements for this one, you could go ahead and do that. So they have graphics, similarly what we have here in this section here, like for Twitter, icons for Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and all of other stuff. They also have stickers. They also have photos here that you use. They also have frames if you want to use that. Now, once you've done and edited your text here, the next thing that we want to do is we want to change our picture. So let's go ahead and go to uploads. So you could actually upload your photos here, like your photos, like for example your picture. You just need to drag and drop it in here, or you need to click on upload an image or video. Now here you can choose your image, but I already uploaded mine. So what we need to do here is we just need to select the image that we want to transfer. For example, this one. So the cool thing with Canva is instead of just deleting this one and re-adding it, the cool thing that we could do here is we could just select the photo that we want to replace with and just drag it in here, this section here. As you can see, it is now the photo that we just added. So yeah, so it's really cool with this feature here. Basically I could change this to whatever I want. And yeah, so once you've done, the only thing that you need to do here is you want to click on share at the top right. And from here, you want to download this one. So if you're going to download this one, it's going to suggest you to use PNG, and you could determine the size for this one. And yeah, for here, just click on download, and once the download is complete, you could now basically use this on your website. Now they also have the option that says publish website, but this is another thing that we should be talking about. But this is for the pro version, so you won't have this feature readily available to you until you have the pro version. But if you want to use that, they have the free domain, they have the purchase for a new domain, or use your existing domain if you want to do that. But yeah, you just need to download this one and basically publish that into your website, and you're about done. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.